class. I am your science teacher Rabia, and today we will discuss your paper pattern of science. So let's move towards our discussion. Your question number 1 is fill in the blanks. You are provided with 6 blanks, 6 statements with 6 blanks, and you have to write the best option in the blanks, and that will be of 3 marks. Let's move toward question number 2, which is write whether the statement is true or false, and we write the statement if false. You are provided with 6 statements and you have to rewrite the statement if it is false. Make sure to write the correct statements, okay, and it is of 3 marks. Let's move toward question number 3. Encircle the correct option, that is of 1.5 marks. You are provided with 6 statements with 4 options and you have to choose the best one, so be careful about that and be prepared. Try to not use ink removers in objective part, okay. Let's move toward question number 4, which is match the column, that is of 3 marks, and you have to solve it with very much tricks. So let me explain. You are provided with 3 columns: column A, column B, column C. Column A has some clues, column B has some clues. You have to match the best things and then you have to write the answer in the column C, okay, and be careful about writing the answer in column C. The total marks of question number 4 is 3. Question number 5, complete the concept map. Okay, you have to complete the concept map with the help of a given clues. The concept map will be from your book or from any chapter that is mentioned in your syllabus, so be prepared for it, and that will be of 2 marks. Question number 6, name and label the diagram, that will be of 2.5 marks. You have to keep 2 things in mind while solving this question. First of all, you have to label the pointed parts of the diagram, and don't forget to write the name of the given diagram, okay. Question number 6, which is of 2 mark, you may ask to write symbol or formula of the given element. Okay, I may ask you to write the symbol of any element. For example, I may ask you to write the symbol of oxygen or any other element, and or I may ask you to write the chemical formula of any other element that is mentioned in the book. So be prepared, study well. Question number 8, which is give short answer, which is of 3 marks. Each question carry 1 mark and you have to write the question well, answer well, sorry. And you have to memorize all of your definitions, all of your small concepts, all of your point to ponders, all of your information boxes. Best of luck for this question. So now let's move towards the subjective part, which has long questions in it. So the main heading of this part is answer the following questions, draw diagrams where necessary. You have to mention all the diagrams where it is necessary, okay. It is of 20 marks. 5 questions are of 20 marks. Question number 1 has 2 parts, A and B part. Question number 2, question number 3, question number 4 and question number 5, they are divided into 20 marks. So best of luck for your paper and revise your syllabus well. When it comes to chapter number 2, we have the structure of ear and structure of eye, so focus on them. And when it comes to the chapter number 8, which is of energy and kinetic energy, potential energy, and gravitational energy, hydroelectric energy, try to consume all these concepts well, okay. And when it comes to the properties of light, which is unit number 10, you have to memorize all the concepts that I have taught you, like the angle of reflection and angle of incidence, and the laws of reflection, what is absorption, what is transmission. You have to do all these things, okay. Well, you have to memorize all of your short answers well, all of your long answers well, all of your MCQs and objective. In short, you have to memorize all of your syllabus very well to score good marks in science. Look for your paper. Allah Hafiz.